Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin from your Uphold wallet to a Ledger Nano S. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm here in my Uphold wallet. This is the desktop version. And you can see here that I have a small balance on my BTC card or Bitcoin card. This is Bitcoin that I'm holding in the Uphold wallet. So what I want to do is transfer this Bitcoin onto my Ledger Nano S. So I've got my Ledger Nano S here. I've got it connected to my computer. So I'm going to enter my PIN. Okay, and once I enter the PIN, I'm going to go over to my Ledger Live application. If you don't have Ledger Live installed yet, I've got a great video on how you go about getting Ledger Live up and running. Alright, so I'm going to log into my Ledger Live. Now I'm transferring Bitcoin, so I'm going to go over here to my Bitcoin account. The Ledger is capable of holding several different types of cryptocurrencies, but we're working on Bitcoin today. So I'm going to go over here to the left and I'm going to click on the Bitcoin account. This brings up the amount of Bitcoin that I currently hold in the Ledger Nano S. And so what I'm going to do is click Receive here. Now it's asking me to open the Bitcoin app on my device. So I'm just going to navigate over to my Bitcoin and I'm going to click both buttons. Alright, and when that happens, I see that second check mark. I can click Continue. Now what it wants to do is it wants me to verify the address on the device so that it matches what's displayed on my screen. So as you can see here, the device is showing me a Bitcoin address, and then I want to make sure that it matches what's showing on the screen. This is a fail-safe security device. And then when I'm happy and I've checked it, I'm going to click the little check mark here. All right. Now I'm good to copy the address. This is the receiving address on my Ledger Nano S. So all I need to do is go over here to my Uphold wallet. I'm going to click my BTC card and I'm going to send funds to a cryptocurrency or a utility token. So basically I'm going to send my Bitcoin to another Bitcoin address. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin here. All right, and then it wants me to put in the address. And that's the address that I just copied from my Ledger Nano S. And the amount. I would like to send all of it. So I'm going to click this little tick box here. And that's all of the Bitcoin that is currently being held on my BTC card in Uphold. So all I need to do is click Confirm here. And it gives me an overview of what I'm doing. And I need to use the Authy app. The Authy app is set up when you first set up the Uphold wallet. So I'm going to share my screen with you just so you can see what's going on. And there it is. I'm going to tap Authy. And I'm going to read off that code there. So the code is 9844184. And this changes periodically. It's a security measure. So I'm going to click Confirm here. And I should get a message that I have successfully sent the value from my Uphold wallet over to this Bitcoin address. Now we can go back over here to Ledger Live and we'll just wait for that to come in. Okay, and the Bitcoin came in while I ran to get another cup of coffee. So you can see now that my balance has been adjusted up and that I just received about $36 worth of Bitcoin. There are other ways to do this that might save you a bit on the fees, but this is the easiest, most straightforward way to move Bitcoin from your Uphold wallet onto a Ledger Nano S for safe and secure long-term cold storage. So I hope this video was helpful. I'd like to remind everyone that I have a live stream every Friday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Join me for the live Q&A in LA. I look forward to seeing you there, and when you come, you can throw out any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to answer them on the fly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will enable you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.